Are you looking to facilitate your customers with currency switching functionality on your WooCommerce stores? Or do you want your users or customers to view the products in their local currencies? If yes, then MWB Multi-Currency Switcher Free plugin is the best fit solution for you. It will help to expand your business and currency being no bar to your WooCommerce store. The free plugin comes up with the feature of adding up 3 currencies for international customers, currency display, currency customizations, and welcome currency, and much more. So let's start with the demo video and understand how easily you can set up the MWB multi-currency switcher for WooCommerce plugin for free. Hello everyone, this is Munam from Make Web Better, and we are back with the exclusive demo video on MWB multi-currency switcher for WooCommerce free plugin. So in today's demo video, I will explain you about how you can easily configure the front end and the back end settings of this free plugin. And I will also explain you about the advantages of the plugin at last. So keep watching the video till the end so that you don't miss out any plugin functionality. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. So let's first understand what is MWB multi-currency switcher for WooCommerce plugin. So the MWB multi-currency switcher for WooCommerce is a free plugin that will help the WooCommerce merchants to improve or enhance the user experience by adding the feature of viewing the product's price in their local currencies. Moreover, it allows to display 3 currencies to your customers and can also employ any of the 5 currency aggregators provided in the plugin. And the plugin also provides a user-friendly interface using a drop-down or side switch menus. So we are on the WordPress dashboard, and if you haven't downloaded the plugin, we have mentioned the link in the description content, so you can download and install the plugin from there. So after installing the plugin, you have to move to your WordPress dashboard and click on MWB multi-currency switcher for WooCommerce plugin. So we are on the backend settings of MWB multi-currency switcher for WooCommerce plugin. So as you can see, these are the tabs that are overview section: currency settings, advanced settings, geolocation rules, site switcher, shortcodes and widgets, system status. So firstly, I am going to explain you about the overview section. So we have provided the overview section in the plugin so that the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can get the basic idea of the plugin and what are the features that are included in this free plugin. So this was all about the overview section. Now let's move to currency settings. So we are on the currency settings, and in the currency settings tab, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can enable the functionality by clicking on this toggle button. So as soon as the admin or the WooCommerce merchant clicks on this toggle button, so the MWB multi-currency switcher functionality will come into action. So the next field is select currency aggregator. So what is currency aggregator? So basically it is used to manage the currency exchange. So in this free plugin, we have provided the 5 currency aggregators according to the business needs and customer requirements. You can select the currency aggregators. So we have provided like Yahoo Finance API, Bank of Romania, the free currency converter by European Central Bank, Bank of Italy, and exchange rate. Next is currency rate auto update. So the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can also set the currency rate auto update. Like we have provided the 7 options like every 15 minutes, every 13 minutes, every 45 minutes, every hour, twice a daily, weekly, and monthly. So if I have selected like every 30 minutes, so for every 30 minutes the currency rate will be auto updated. So let me explain to you how currency auto update feature can help the WooCommerce merchants as well as the customers. So basically the currency auto update means if you have selected the default currency as US dollars and you have decided the currency rate and interest of other 2 currencies with respect to the default currency, then if you enable the auto update currency and set the time limit to 15 minutes, so after every 15 minutes interval, it will get updated automatically based on the changes in the currency rate, and it will be also reflected on the shop page. So it will save the time of online merchants to update the currency rate again and again manually from the backend. Next, in this free plugin, we have provided the 3 currency options that the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can select. So for selecting the country, the admin simply have to type like the currency code. So if I have like USD, so it will automatically configure the flag according to the currency code. Here the symbol can be selected accordingly. For the US dollar, the symbol can be selected like this, and we have also given the feature like position. So here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can set up the position of the currency symbol. So we have provided the options as left, right, left space and right space. So the admin can select accordingly. I have selected the currency as INR, and next is GBP. So I have decided the rate and interest accordingly in concern with the default currency. So this is how you can select the currency code and symbol, position, and decide the rate and interest in concern with the default currency. And if you want, like if you want to customize the particular if you want to do the custom settings, so you have to click on this edit button, and you can decide the custom symbol and custom flag that you can upload, and you can also decide the rate and interest, and you can also prepare or show the description and click on this save button. So if you want to do the custom settings, simply you have to click on this edit button. So this is how you can simply configure the currency settings, and after doing the settings you have to click on save. So all the settings have been done. Now let's move to next tab, that is advanced settings. So we are on the advanced settings tab. So advanced settings tab will help the admin or the WooCommerce merchant to predefine the features to enhance the user experience. So the first field is select welcome currency. So here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can select the welcome currency. Like if the admin selects USD, so all the products will on the shop page will be listed on the USD before the currency is switched to another. Next field is hide site switcher on checkout page. So with this field, the admin can hide site switcher on the checkout page according to the customer needs and business requirements. Similarly, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can also hide the widget on the checkout page by clicking on this toggle button. Next field is enable geolocation rules. So with this field, the admin can click on this toggle button to enable the geolocation rules. So we have provided this feature in regarding with the customer needs and business requirements. So this is how you can easily do the customizations using the advanced settings. So these three fields that you can see, that these are the three fields that will be available in our pro version. So when I will be coming up with the pro version demo video, so I will also explain you about these features. So this was all about the advanced settings. Now click on save. So now let's move to next tab, that is geolocation rules. So we are on the geolocation rules tab. So geolocation rules helps the WooCommerce merchant or the admin to set the geolocation rules of users of different countries. So here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can select the country in which he wants to show or display the currency from drop down menu. Like in the GBP, if like I want to display my display the GBP currency, like if I can select like for example Armenia. So if I want to show the GBP currency in Armenia, so I would select this country. So now as you can see, this country has been selected and this currency GBP will be shown in Armenia. So as soon as you have added the current country in that particular currency, so then you have to click on save. So as you can see, the message has come, geolocation rule settings saved. So this is how you can add the countries in which you want to show that particular currency. So you might be thinking that how geolocation rules will help you as a shop owner. So basically the geolocation rules feature will help the admin or the WooCommerce merchant to show the native currency according to the visitor's country location very easily through auto detection. Suppose the admin has enabled the geolocation rules, then if he wants the particular currencies to be auto detected as soon as the customer lands on the product page, so the admin has just to enter the country name in that particular currency. So let me explain you with an example. So if the admin wants GBP, which is the currency of UK, to be auto-detected in India, and whenever the customers from India visits the WooCommerce store, then by default all the products will be shown in GBP. So it depends upon the need. So this is how geolocation rules work and can be implemented on the basis of business requirements. And in the second case, if the geolocation rules are disabled, then the welcome currency feature will come into action, and welcome currency as selected by the admin will be reflected on the shop page and product pages when the user from anywhere in the world visits the store. So the welcome currency will be same for all the users all around the world. So now all the settings have been done for the geolocation rules. Now let's move to next tab, that is site switcher. So we are on the site switcher tab. So with this site switcher tab, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can customize the site switcher design. So the first field is enable site switcher. So as soon as the admin or the WooCommerce merchant clicks on this toggle button, the site switcher functionality will come into action. Next is switcher style. So with this field, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can select the provided option like role block. So in this free version, we have provided only one switcher style, that is role block, but in our upcoming pro version, we will be coming up with more switcher style. Next field is switcher position. So with this field, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can decide the site switcher position as right or left. So he can we have given two options as right or left, so he can decide the switcher position. Next field is switcher background color. So here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can decide the switcher background color. Like if he wants to change the switcher background color, so simply he has to click on this and he can change the desirable color. Like if I have selected this, so now as you can see, the switcher background color has been changed. So I have selected blue. Next is currency background color. So here if you want to change the background color, so simply you can click on this and you can change the currency background color as like this. Next is currency text color. So currency text color we will keep as white, or if you want to change the currency text color, you can change accordingly. So I am keeping it white. Next is currency description text color. So if you want to change the text color of currency description, you have to click on this and you just have to scroll it, and as soon as you click on this, the currency description text color has been set. Now after doing all the settings, you have to click on save button. So if you don't click on save button, so all the settings that you have done on this, that will not be applied on the front end. So let's click on this save. So all the settings have been saved. So we have provided this site switcher designed to enhance the user experience, and the WooCommerce merchant can select and customize the site switcher with this provided options. So this was all about the site switcher tab. Now let's go to next tab, that is shortcodes and widgets. So we are on the shortcodes and widgets tab. So as you can see, we have provided the shortcodes in this free plugin so that the admin can use the shortcodes to place the currency converter and currency converter drop down functionalities. As you can see, these are the shortcode name, currency converter and currency switcher drop down. So here are the shortcodes that the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can use to enable this functionality. Next is widget. So if you want, or the admin wants to use the currency switcher widget, so you have to go to appearances and click on widgets. So as you can see, already we have placed the currency switcher widget on the sidebar. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to the available widgets, and as you can see, this is the currency switcher widget. So you have to click on this, and the currency switcher widget has been added to the sidebar, and you have to click on done. So basically we have provided this widget so that the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can add the currency drop down and selected currency flag. So all the settings have been done for the MWB multi-currency switcher for WooCommerce. Now let's go to the front end and see how these settings will reflect on the front end. So we are on the shop page, and as you can see, we have enabled the geolocation rules. That's why the currency is coming in GBP, as we have entered the location India in GBP. So that's why it's coming as the currency is coming in GBP. So if you have enabled the geolocation rules, then even if you have selected the welcome currency, it will not appear on the shop page. So if you want to enable the welcome currency, then geolocation rules you have to disable. So we are getting the currency drop down because we have added the currency drop down widgets. That's why we are getting this drop down menu of currency switcher. And in addition to that, we are also getting the site switcher, as we have enabled the site switcher functionality along with the customizations that we have done for the background color and text color. So simply the customers or the users can click on this site switch to switch to different currency. Like if I want to select on different currency, so I will click on this. So as soon as I click on this, the currency will be switched. So as you can see, the currency has been switched to INR. So if I want to change it to USD, so I can click on this. So as you can see, the currency has been switched to USD. So as you can see, we have provided the site switcher functionality to provide the ease to the customers to directly switch to the different currency. So this was all about the MWB multi-currency switcher for WooCommerce plugin. So you must have noticed that we have provided various features in this free plugin that WooCommerce merchant can enable according to the business requirements and customer needs to enhance the user experience and increase engagement on the WooCommerce store. So now let's see what are the advantages of MWB multi-currency switcher for WooCommerce plugin. So with MWB multi-currency switcher for WooCommerce free plugin, the admin will get access to add up to 3 currencies for their international customers. Moreover, the admin can synchronize the currency with respect to the user's geolocation and enabling the geolocation rules. And in addition to that, the free plugin also provides to set 1000 symbol and adjust decimal separators. Moreover, the admin can also add currency symbol and set currency symbols positions. And with MWB multi-currency switcher plugin for WooCommerce, it offers shortcodes for adding different currencies, related functionalities and widgets. So this was all about the demo video of MWB multi-currency switcher for WooCommerce free plugin. So if you have any queries regarding the features and functionalities of the plugin, you can mention your queries in the comment section and we will be glad to help you. So if you liked watching our video, make sure to hit the like button and share the video. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel. So till the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.